description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today we got one that came by way of James from Lakeside, California. Thanks again, man. This is Vifon, a Vietnamese company with their golden chicken. This one, I've only seen it before really marketed towards Europe and Poland in particular. I think that one's called Zloty. But it's the same thing as far as I know. This one has language in English, Spanish, Espanol, and Portuguese. So your guess is as good as mine as to where it's supposed to go mainly. But yeah, it's an export version, so it gets the tag of being Vietnamese, because when there's too much inconsistency with, like, where's it from, who's it for, I gotta just say the big home country on it. Does that make sense? That's like a thing that always is. It's really hard for me to like pin down a lot of the time. Is like, what country do I put this as? Some people think that like Nissan Top Ramen in the U.S. should be put down as Japan. They're like, well, Nissan's a Japanese company. Well, yeah, there's Nissan Japan, Nissan Singapore, Nissan India, Nissan Mexico, Nissan Brazil. But these are all separate companies under the big thing. So it's a deal. It's a deal thing. So noodles, got 2 sachets that go in here as well. There's our noodle. This one steeps. This is what you call a traditional instant noodle because it doesn't have to cook the whole time. Okay. And that there's no like cooking instructions on it, like with boiling water and all. So man, it's been like allergy craziness here, and everybody's got allergies, and now everybody's getting sick, and we've all got this eyeball funk, and we gotta get antibiotics for it, and it's like, ugh. But what do you do? 4 minutes to steep. So yeah, and I will stir it occasionally. I'll take the occasion to give it a stir. So it is Monday, the 12th of May, 2025. This is episode 2601 of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. Yeah, I know, right? 2601. That's a lot of episodes, let me tell you. And yeah, that's the deal. What is going on? Oh, the tariffs are lifted. It went from 145% tariff on Chinese goods. Now it's 30%. The stock market is going boom. And last week the orange guys said, buy stocks now. Buy them now. Something big's gonna happen. Dude, that's manipulation. That's total manipulation. Yep. I don't know. Somebody's making a lot of money, and it ain't me. You know what I'm saying? But I don't know. Anyways, there's that. India and Pakistan had a big row with kabooms and junk. What else? The last American... Here's my conspiracy theory. So the last American hostage was released by Hamas yesterday. At the same time, the people who have been doing a lot of the negotiations between Hamas and Israel and the U.S. and all that stuff have been in Qatar, or I don't know exactly how it's pronounced. But anyways, all of a sudden the Qatarians are offering a jet, a palace in the sky, to our president. And he's going to take it. I don't know if it's a... it sounds like it's a loan. I don't know. But, so let's see. Hamas is cozied up with the government of Qatar. The last American in Gaza is out. And they're giving us an airplane. Is that an airplane that just says, look at the airplane, don't look at what's going on? Is that a look the other way kind of thing? I don't know. It seems a little interesting, the timing of all this. And if we don't have skin in the game other than loyalty to Israel, which we... I don't know. It's a very nice airplane. It's very nice. You get where I'm going with that? Yeah, I think you do. So, I don't know. But we'll see. We will see. And it just gets weirder every day. But on a happy note, I've got all these cleaners and stuff and polishes and new needles and everything coming for the Victrola, the record player I got. And I'm gonna like totally do it up. All right, so let's look at what we got here. 4 minutes of steeping has done this to this noodle, and it still doesn't feel exactly perfect, but we'll see what happens. It seems like it could use a little bit more time. Let's give it a try. It smells like chicken noodle soup with crackers in it. Honestly, that's what I'm getting out of this. Cheers. Thin broth. Slight bit of oiliness. It's not amazing. It's not terrible. If somebody handed me this on the street, I would say this is a pillow pack version chicken noodle. And that's all I would say about it. I don't know what else you want from me. It's very basic, very much what it is as advertised, that's for sure. So yeah. Chicken noodle. Ooh, and I have to get that out. That's right. So I'm going to be doing stuff May 25th. Okay, I got time. So I thought I had more varieties that were like curry from Malaysia, Indonesia. I do have some from Indonesia, I believe. But I got and it smells just fine. Good. I've got tofu puff, and the idea of not using tofu puff and letting it go bad, that's sacrilege. So I'm going to be doing a bunch that I'm going to use tofu puff with. And all it is tofu in little cubes that's baked in an oven, and it puffs up. It's more of just like a texture thing, but it's nice. It's nice. I like it. I like it a lot. Add a little shellkin, since it's chicken flavor. Here we go. I went to the store as soon as I got my daughter on the bus. And I got more escallions. They're not escalloped, they're escallioned. Yeah, so if you're looking for an instant chicken noodle, this is an option. It's not like above and beyond. It's just chicken noodle. It's the deal. It's chicken. But yeah. Maybe we should have some happier music for the chicken. Yeah, well. We'll try that. Enjoy. Alright, well cool, thanks for watching. The next one you're going to see is this. This is from Ajinomoto, a company that I've been trying to get in touch with and trying to get varieties from. This is from their Oyakata range, and this is a curry yakisoba. Ajinomoto are the people who originated MSG way back. So, yeah. Alright, that'll be the next episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, episode 2602. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.